Hello, my name is Ketki. I am Expert Abacus Teacher and Vedic Maths Teacher from Kids Intelligence. Before joining Kids Intelligence, I was worked as a teacher in primary school. But that time, I was not satisfied with my job. I wanted to do something new for myself and my family. Me and my husband were trying our best to find out a job. That time I saw some videos of Shubhra ma'am on YouTube. So suddenly I contacted Shubhra ma'am and I joined Expert Abacus Teacher training course with Kids Intelligence. And then my fabulous journey started. Yes, I got excellent training in Kids Intelligence. I was completed my Expert Abacus Teacher training course as well as Vedic Maths course. After the completion, I got the certificates. Now, I am started my own classes with Kids Intelligence. While teaching the students, I feel very proud on myself because first I was known as only Ketki teacher, but nowadays I am known as Expert Abacus Teacher as well as Vedic Maths Teacher. So feeling so proud. So thank you so much Shubhra ma'am and Unnati ma'am for that. After joining the Vedic Maths, I got more confident. Me and my students can solve the sums within a second. So my students' confidence level is also increased. So I think it is a most benefit from us. Thank you so much once again Shubhra ma'am and Unnati ma'am, because that's why I'm starting my own classes, so I can give quality time to my family as well as my work also. Thank you so much once again Shubhra ma'am and Unnati ma'am and all the team of Kids Intelligence, because each and every person in Kids Intelligence are very supporting and they help to each other anytime. So thank you so much.